Hi, my name is Sam Miller. I'm the non-game bird biologist with the Rhode Island Division of Fish and Wildlife, and today we're putting up an American Kestrel box at the Francis Carter Preserve. So by putting up these nest boxes, we're trying to bring back these cavity nesters to areas where we do still have suitable habitat, and Carter Preserve is certainly one of those. So this is one of about 5 boxes going up this year, and we're hoping to keep partnering with private landowners and private organizations in the future to try to put up boxes and bring these birds back. So an American Kestrel is a small falcon. They're about the size of a mourning dove. And they hunt these open habitats looking for small insects like grasshoppers or dragonflies and other small voles. So they can fit about perched on your index finger right there. So yeah, the males have blue patches on the wings. The females lack that. They're kind of a reddish rufous color overall with a nice little face pattern. So as a part of this program, we're having volunteers adopt boxes to monitor throughout the breeding season. So we're hoping to track a variety of metrics such as box occupancy and hopefully track our success in bringing these birds back.